Have you ever wondered how your favorite potato chips are made? Not just fried and flavored, but how they go from raw, earthy vegetables to perfectly packaged snacks, ready for shelves and snack bowls around the world? In today's video, we're going behind the scenes of one of the most fascinating food production systems in the world, the potato chips production line. You'll discover how every step, from washing to slicing, frying, seasoning, and packaging, is powered by precise engineering, strict food safety, and years of industrial innovation. Whether you're a food industry professional, a manufacturing enthusiast, or simply someone curious about what goes on inside a modern factory, this journey will give you a new appreciation for every chip you've ever crunched. So, let's begin where it all starts, with a simple potato, and follow its journey through one of the most efficient and high-tech production lines in the snack industry. Freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the facility, often in large crates or truckloads. Before anything else, they go through inspection. Skilled operators and machines work together to remove any damaged or unsuitable potatoes. Once sorted, the clean ones are lifted gently by an elevator feeder. This is the first mechanical step on their journey toward becoming chips. Next, hygiene takes center stage. The potatoes are washed in rotary drum machines that scrub away all soil and grit. After that, they're peeled, either by abrasion or steam. This peeling machine ensures a clean surface, setting the stage for a perfect cut. Then comes slicing. Industrial slicers cut the potatoes into razor-thin slices with incredible precision. This isn't just about shape, it's about ensuring even frying and that satisfying crunch. The thickness of each slice is carefully controlled, because even the slightest variation can impact the texture and quality of the final chip. After slicing, the potato slices are still loaded with natural starch. So, they're washed again. This time it's to remove that excess starch, which helps prevent clumping and promotes a more even fry. Water cascade systems rinse the slices, prepping them for the next phase. Blanching comes next. It might sound fancy, but it's really just a quick pre-cook. The slices pass through hot water or steam blanchers for a few seconds, softening them slightly, locking in color, and activating enzymes. It's a brief but vital part of the transformation. Once blanched, the slices still carry moisture, but frying and moisture don't mix well. That's why they head through a drying system, often air knives or centrifugal dryers that remove water quickly and gently. This ensures that when the slices hit the oil, they fry evenly and cleanly. Now it's time for the heart of the process, frying. The slices glide into a continuous fryer, bubbling and sizzling as they transform. Temperature and timing are everything here. Too short, and the chips stay pale. Too long, and they burn. Get it just right, and the result is that familiar golden crispness we all love. As the chips come out of the fryer, they're still glistening with oil, so they head into the de-oiling zone. Using vibrating conveyors or rotating drums, the excess oil is removed, making the chips lighter, crunchier, and with a longer shelf life. At this stage, they're ready for a little flavor. Whether it's classic salted, spicy, cheesy, or something more adventurous, the chips are tumbled in a seasoning drum where every piece gets an even coating. The mix of heat and motion ensures nothing is missed. Once seasoned, the chips need to cool. It might seem like a small step, but it's critical. If they're packed while still hot, condensation forms in the bag, and nobody wants soggy chips. So they pass through cooling tunnels that gently bring them down to room temperature. Finally, packaging. The chips are weighed, dropped into bags, sealed, and labeled. Each bag is filled to perfection, automatically. From there, boxes are packed, stacked, and sent out for distribution. What began as a raw potato just hours earlier is now a finished product ready for shelves and snack lovers around the world. Behind every chip is a journey of precision, cleanliness, and care. It's a mix of food science, mechanical engineering, and the pursuit of that perfect crunch. And now, the next time you open a bag, you'll know exactly what went into every bite.